Hey everyone, do you want to make sure all your data is safe before you update or switch phones? Today, I'll show you how to back up your iPhone in under 2 minutes. Let's get started. First things first, make sure your iPhone is connected to a Wi-Fi network. Without a Wi-Fi, you won't be able to back up your data into cloud. Now, go to your settings app and tap on the name at the top. This will open your Apple ID settings. Next, tap iCloud and scroll down and tap iCloud Backup. Make sure iCloud Backup is turned on. If it's not, just toggle it to green. To start the backup, tap Backup now. Make sure your iPhone stays connected to a Wi-Fi and plugged in to a charger while the backup completes. Once the backup starts, you can see the progress on the screen. Once it's done, you'll see the date and time of the last backup. And there you go. Your iPhone is now safely backed up to iCloud. If this video helped, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tips. See you in the next one.